In Lightroom, select, flag, star, or color code the images you want edited. Then open the Imagen AI app. Select Start a New Project. Then drag and drop your Lightroom catalog and the project on the app. Choose the images from the catalog you want edited by the flagging system you used. Select the genre of photography. Then name your project. Then you choose the profile you would like to use. Then select any additional AI editing options you would like to use. Upload your images to the Imagen AI app. Then a short wait for the AI to do the work for you. Once that's done, download your edits and open Lightroom. And then watch the magic unfold. Then you'll make any adjustments to the edits, occasionally slight exposure, white balance, shadows, etc. As you make these edits, you will have the opportunities to upload your revisions to Imagen to fine-tune the profile to your editing vision. The AI will start learning how you like things edited, and the profile will only get better. Once you have a certain number of revised edits uploaded, you can fine-tune your version of the refined AI profile.